Welcome to Reddy Technologies. Top 10 software testing tools. Say, software testing can be done in two ways. One is traditional manual testing, another is automated testing. And we have several types of automation testing or automated testing. Automated functional testing, automated performance testing, automated API testing, automated mobile testing, automated acceptance testing, next test management, etc. Say, in these types of automated testing, automated functional testing is having more than 60% market share. For conducting automated functional testing, we have several tools like Selenium TestComplete, IBM, RFT, Silk Test, UFT, etc. Okay, top 10 tools, top 10 software testing tools in all types. First one, Selenium WebDriver. See, Selenium WebDriver is an open source test tool and it is used for functional and regression testing of web applications. Selenium WebDriver supports various operating systems to conduct testing. It supports Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. Next, Selenium WebDriver supports various programming languages to write and execute test cases. It supports Java, Python, C#, Ruby, JavaScript, and Kotlin. Next, Selenium WebDriver supports various browsers to conduct testing. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Edge, next Opera, and Safari. Selenium WebDriver supports batch testing, data-driven testing, cross-browser testing, and database testing of web applications. Next, TesNG. See, don't confuse. Generally, we use TesNG integration with Selenium testing. We use TesNG integration with Selenium. That is for system testing. But basically, TesNG, here NG stands for next generation. Basically, TesNG is an unit test tool for testing Java software applications. Okay, we are using most of the independent testers using TesNG with Selenium, but basically it is unit test tool. It has highest market share after Selenium WebDriver. See, TesNG is a testing framework, open source testing framework, or you can say open source test tool inspired by JUnit and NUnit frameworks, but introduced some new functionalities that make it more powerful and easier to use. Initially, it was developed for unit testing of Java software applications. Now it is used for all levels of testing. Next, and TesNG framework can be used as test runner in Selenium test environment. Next, TestComplete. See, first one Selenium WebDriver open source tool, second one TesNG open source tool, this third one TestComplete, a commercial tool. TestComplete is a functional automated test tool developed by SmartBear software. It offers support to a wide range of technologies such as .NET, Delphi, C++ Builder, Java, Visual Basic, HTML5, Flash, Flex, Silverlight, etc. It supports desktop applications, web applications, and mobile applications. TestComplete functional test tool like Selenium. TestComplete helps testers develop their test cases in various scripting languages like JavaScript, Python, VB script, and Delphi script. Next, Cucumber. Cucumber is a behavior-driven development tool used to develop test cases for the behavior of software's functionality. It plays a supporting role in automated testing. Cucumber tool plays a vital role in the development of the acceptance test cases for automation testing. It is mainly used to write acceptance tests for web applications as per the behavior of their functionalities. Next, Appium. Appium is an open source test tool for use with native applications, native, hybrid, and mobile web apps. See, we have three types of mobile applications: native applications, web apps, and hybrid applications. Appium supports all three types of mobile applications, and it drives iOS, Android, and Windows apps using the WebDriver protocol. Next, Appium validates the compatibility, usability, and response time of mobile browsers and applications across various mobile devices. Automation tests in Appium can be run on mobile devices, simulators, and emulators. Next, JMeter. Apache JMeter is an open source tool, 100% Java based application with a graphical user interface. JMeter developed in Java technology. In order to run or in order to use JMeter tool in your computer, Java runtime required. First install Java, then install JMeter and run. JMeter is a Java based application, 100% Java based application. It is designed to analyze and measure the performance and load functional behavior of web application and variety of services. JMeter is mainly used for testing web applications, but currently it is applicable for JDBC database connections, web services, generic TCP connections, and OS native processes. Next, SoapUI. SoapUI is a popular open source testing tool. It is the most widely used automation tool for testing web services and web APIs of SOAP and REST interfaces. Next, Jira. Jira is an incident management tool. It is used for project management, bug tracking, issue tracking, and workflow. Jira was written in Java. It was initially released in 2002, 20 years back, by Atlassian, that allows bug tracking and agile project management. Next, cross-browser testing. Actually, cross-browser testing is a test type in our software testing, but here tool name also cross-browser testing. Cross-browser testing, single word, it is a test tool name. Cross-browser testing is the most famous licensed tool. It supports various operating systems, a large number of multiple browsers, mobile browsers, and other versions and their versions. The additional feature includes the automated screenshot, local host support, and so on. Next, 10th one, Katalon Studio. Katalon Studio is an automation testing software tool developed by Katalon Inc. Incorporation. The software is built on top of the open source automation frameworks Selenium and Appium with a specialized IDE interface for web, API, mobile and desktop application testing. Thank you.